Hey there. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Code with Bella. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Tailwind CSS. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up Tailwind CSS for your React app. So let's get started. The first thing we need to create React app. If you don't have one already, don't worry. First, see this video on my channel. Then go to Google and search Tailwind CSS for React. Click this first link. Here have all commands we want. The first two command lines are already done. Copy third command npm install tailwind CSS. And go to React app, open terminal, paste here and press enter. Wait until it installs. Great. Tailwind CSS is now installed, but we need to configure it before we can start using its amazing utility classes. To do that, let's create a Tailwind CSS configuration file. In the root of your project, type, after that, go to the site and copy npx tailwind CSS init command and go to the terminal, paste here and press enter. This command will generate a tailwind.config.js file with default settings. Now let's customize our Tailwind CSS setup. Open up the tailwind.config.js file and go to the site and copy this code and come to tailwind.config.js file, remove all codes and paste them here. Next, we need to import Tailwind CSS into our project. Open the src/index.css file and add the following line at the top. Again, go to the site, copy this code, and paste it in the index.css file. All right, now run the React app. Type on terminal npm start and press enter. Now we can try Tailwind CSS codes. As you can see, our component is now beautifully styled using Tailwind CSS classes. Feel free to explore the extensive library of utility classes Tailwind CSS provides. It's truly a game changer when it comes to rapid UI development. And that's it, my friends. We've successfully set up Tailwind CSS for our React app. Now you have the power to create stunning user interfaces with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Code with Bella for more exciting web development content. Remember, the resources and documentation for Tailwind CSS are readily available, so keep exploring and pushing the boundaries of your UI designs. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Goodbye.